Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Fitted June 3, 2009, my name Primrose BarrettA. The man were in charge of the Jamaican police them early doing, so the 10 police officers them were in our Banduulu Lato business were rip off Jamaican and foreign people in St. James for left the police force. According to the Observer for Wednesday, June 3, 2009, they met 10 police that did part of the 18 other police from the Mount Salem police station in St. James, where them tap front to them everyday job. The Banduulu police them did call people and tell them say them win Lato and them have to pay for collect what them win. The police then make up to nearly $30 million a year time after the business. Mr. Lewin get together with one special group of police who deal with corruption and then make up their minds that 10 of the Banduulu police them have to left them work. Mr. Lewin says 6 of them can come back and work while them are going to think about what to do with the other 2 officers them. The RGR News for Wednesday, June 3, 2009 said the Banduulu Lato Tory come out when police force find out say one man named Courtney Grayson did a go around like say him a one police officer for about 6 months and nobody never find him out. Them find out say a the Banduulu police officer give Grayson all of the things them will make him look like one police officer. Them give him one police uniform, badge, ID card, and gun so him could have go to the police station and work in a them corruption scheme. Some other police officer did find out say Courtney Grayson and never one real policeman, so them beat him up. Him end up go court, but them let him go not too long after that. In the Gleaner for April 2, 2009, Paula Llewellyn in response to all of the criminal business make up her mind for let him go, but the court can call him back anytime. Sake of that, right now the government of Canada and America are work with the police of Jamaica for put one special bungalow of people together named Joint Operations linked to telemarketing, JOLT, for tap the Banduulu Lato business and everybody were in it. According to the Gleaner for May 28, 2009, people from the Embassy, Passport Office, the Jamaican Police Force, one court and Montego Bay, and the part of the government were responsible for angle the country money are the people who will make up the JOLT group. The Gleaner for June 3, 2009 said the people from the JOLT group go on house at St. James and take back 6 cars, only per computer, and $185,000 what the Banduulu police them did take from foreign. Them even find some old heap of paper with people name and number and one license gun. On top of that, the police them carry 9 more of the corrupt cop them go to jail for question them. The Banduulu Lato business caused some Jamaican and foreign people to lose all heap of money and even them life in 2008 and 2009. This is Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Primrose BarrettA. Walk good.